Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The highly anticipated Fame Frequency had their official end of summer rave on Saturday night. The event features DJs Narity, Kevin, Deli, and Tropical, who all took viewers and listeners on a musical journey through their respective sets.
Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for.
Now, during the event, DJ Deli paid tribute to the late Toots Hibbert, who passed away, which was well received. Their experience on Saturday night's Frequency.
We come out to represent, we turn up the summer, bring up the summer, and now at the end of the summer.
It was very good. I think I prefer it to a lot of the others, especially because we had that gospel segment, which we don't normally have, you know? Shot, like it.
Fame Frequency was a nice vibes as always. End of summer, rave. Me and the team, Kevin, Deli, Tropical, Debbie, Expressions. All the nice vibes, enjoyed it. It's good, we enjoyed yourself.
Our rave was all the rave, trust me. It lived up to all the expectations and much more. And guys, I'm sorry for anybody who thought that we were ending all the frequencies. No, we're going to be with you guys for as long as we're inside. Well, we hope so.
We end summer with a bang, boom, bang, connect.
Although summer has ended, Fame Frequency will continue this Saturday with the Ladies' Night edition. Now, Jamaica's cinema operator Palace Amusement Company has obtained a license to operate a drive-in cinema in New Kingston. The news was shared on their Instagram account. The company had reopened its cinemas on July 8, following an advisory from the government that cinemas and places of entertainment could reopen. No exact location was disclosed for the drive-in cinema. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.